Now, we will make you listen to a sound. What does this sound remind you of? Yes, it sounds like someone knocking at the door. The human ear cannot hear all sounds of the universe. It only hears the frequency range of human speech that covers 250 Hz and 3000 Hz. It cannot hear the sounds below this frequency, which are called infrasounds, and sounds of ultrasonic, which are above this and at a very high frequency. They can only be recorded with equipment that can perceive these high frequencies. With the development of science and technology, the ultrasonic sounds of the universe from the atmosphere to the planets of the solar system, which sound at a very high frequency, have been recorded. The most interesting among them is the star which is named as Pulsar by the scientists, mentioned as the star of Tariq in the Quran, and sworn by. Yes, this star, which is called Tariq, sounds just like the sound of the door being knocked by someone. The most interesting side of this is that the word of Tariq in Arabic language means the knocker on the door. In fact, the word Tariq stems from the root of the verb tark. Tark means knocking strongly, slamming audibly. According to this, Tariq basically means the one who beats strongly, just like beating with a knocker and knocking on the door. How could today's discovery of the sound of the star, which is in the form of door knocking of named as Tariq, meaning door knocker, 1400 years ago, be explained, since there was no science or technology then? If we regard the Quran as human word, God forbid, we must also accept that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, recorded these ultrasonic sounds with the equipments that perceive high frequencies 1400 years ago, and called them Tariq. But there is no single human being on earth who could accept this idea.